Hi there, my name's David Goldsby, and I'm a self-confessed technologist, geek, what you want to call me. But yeah, I've making a career out of specializing in technology, and I had this crazy idea that over the next 12 months, could I release a video per week around my thoughts, observations, and learning specifically around IoT and the impact it's having, or the potential impact it could be having on the industries that I'm focusing on where I work. For people that don't know, I've been in Microsoft for the last couple of years, focusing in on the built environment, the AEC sector, but more recently changed into focusing a little bit more on the FM, so facility management, and get into sort of smart places, smart buildings, smart cities sort of space. But I've been interested in IoT for quite a while, probably like 7 years, something crazy like that. And why do I get so excited about IoT? Well, I think it's a great sort of catalyst for change when you think about where it cross with industry and business. And really, I'll get into this in videos in the future, but IoT is what is the glue. You know what I mean? On its own, it won't really achieve much, but the wider ecosystem is where you can really make a difference. But yeah, I personally have had the opportunity to experiment with IoT in large organizations, but also built devices or prototypes from PCB, microcontroller, in manufacturing all the way up. So you could say I've got a lot to learn still, but I do find it quite interesting. But why now? So I mean, there's so much going on at the moment, and some of this technology is pretty mature actually, but the adoption is still extremely low. I think it's something like 2% in real estate have adopted some form of smart technology. And when you think about the industry challenges that we face, there's so much we need to do, and IoT really could help address a lot of that. But when you think about, like, we're definitely in a hype cycle at the moment, and there's so many buzzwords going around. When you think about IoT, digital twins, mixed reality, NFTs, blockchain, Metaverse. We start talking about low power Bluetooth, LoRaWAN, narrowband IoT, automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence. It's crazy. And then you start blending that against the industry context and background and everything else that's going on. You got sustainability, net zero, people trying to make more insights from their data. It's like a fire hose, data coming in everywhere. You got the traditional IoT versus operational technology, BIM standards, ISO 19650 and IFS. You've got people talking about digital building life cycle, various data standards, and AutoCAD and Revit files, and it just goes on and on and on. So I'm going to be doing my best to to explain some of this, and hopefully I'll learn a lot on the way. A huge caveat, obviously I work for Microsoft, so my view will be slightly biased towards them, but I will be talking about products from startups, Amazon, Google, Apple, etc. So it's not going to be completely Microsoft focused, and I'm hoping to get other people on this, and we'll talk and interview other people. So I literally have no expectations of this at all. If it's only me who watches it, that's fine, because it'll serve as a sort of video diary of what I was doing at the time. And but yeah, if someone gets something out of this, then fantastic. So see you soon.